To enable picture-in-picture mode on iPhone, start by ensuring your device is running iOS 14 or later, as this feature is only available on these versions. Picture-in-picture mode allows you to watch videos or use video calling apps while simultaneously using other apps on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and navigate to the General section. Scroll down to find the Picture-in-Picture option. However, this option may not be directly visible as it is often found within other settings depending on the iOS version. For most users, to enable picture-in-picture mode, you need to start playing a video in a compatible app, such as the Apple TV app or YouTube. Once the video is playing, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to return to the home screen. The video will automatically shrink into a smaller window, allowing you to use other apps while continuing to watch the video. If the video does not automatically enter picture-in-picture mode, look for a picture-in-picture icon, which resembles a rectangle with an arrow pointing inward, and tap on it to enable the feature. This icon is usually found in the video player controls. To move the picture-in-picture window, simply drag it to any corner of the screen. You can also pinch to zoom in or out on the video to adjust its size. To disable picture-in-picture mode, tap on the picture-in-picture window and then tap on the icon that resembles a rectangle with an arrow pointing outward to return the video to full screen mode. It is worth noting that not all apps support picture-in-picture mode, so you may need to check the app's settings or support documentation to see if it is available. Additionally, picture-in-picture mode may not work when using certain features, such as screen recording or when the iPhone is connected to a TV or other external display. By following these steps, you can easily enable picture-in-picture mode on your iPhone and enjoy the convenience of using multiple apps simultaneously.